In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the reverse linked list coding exercise. Inside of the reverse list function, we will have a list node pointer named current node that we set equal to head. Then we will have a list node pointer named previous node initialized to a value of null, and a list node pointer named next node also initialized to a value of null. If head is null or head's next value is null, we will return head. While current node is not equal to null, we will set node to current node's next value, current node's next value to previous node equal to current node, and current node equal to next node. At the bottom of the function outside of the while loop, we will return previous node. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.